Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this adorably cute little squid right here. Or octopus. I don't really know. But anyways, he's cute. I'm going to show you how to draw him. All right, so all you'll need is a piece of paper, pencil, eraser, and a black outline pen, and any colors that you might have. All right, so here we go. We're going to start off by making a nice, soft, round shape. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to start off with a half circle. Half a circle. But underneath, and I'm going to make it, fairly equal. So goes up, comes back, kind of meets at the same level. And I can check that with my pencil. If I can go like this and it looks like, oh yeah, it's pretty straight. Okay, I'll keep it. Now, to connect those, I'm going to use a smiley face. So, and the reason why I say a smiley face and not a half circle, because a half circle is much more round. It's rounder, I should say. And a smiley face is not. It's got a curve to it. So I'm going to make smiley face up to the sides. Okay, and then you get this sort of gumdroppy shape. And if your corners are too pointy, erase them. Make them softer. Round that corner, and get it to a nice, soft, triangle-y shape. Next, we're going to add his little legs. So we're going to start off by using U shapes. I'm going to start at the bottom of that smiley face that we made, and I'm going to make one nice round U there. I'm going to make another one, another round U right there. I'm going to make another one right there, and it's okay if they're not the same size. Notice mine are kind of getting bigger. That's okay. Don't worry about it. All right, I'm going to try to do at least 5 because that is the reference that I'm using. So that little cute sticker that I showed you. All right, so now we've got the general body. We need to start adding some details. So let's start off with his face. His face is rather low on his body. So I'm going to start down here on the right. And then I'm going to skip over some space, maybe a little bit more space, and make another one, another circle down there. Try to keep them in line. And then in between those two circles, I'm going to make a U for a smiley face. Okay, so there is my little squid face. Now I'm going to also add some more circles as details. Up here at the top, I'm going to make one circle there, another circle here, maybe a smaller one down there, and then a medium one to the side. So I've got a couple details going on. Now I'm going to add some details to his little legs as well. I'm going to add a circle to the bottom line. So remember that first U we made? I want you to put 1, 2 circles on the bottom of it. And inside those circles, I want you to put another teeny tiny circle. And it might be really small. That's okay. Do the same thing on the next antenna. The only one we're not going to do is the one in the center. So we're going to put on this bottom line, we're going to put one circle here and another circle there. And then inside, we're going to make those 2 little tiny circles. All right, I'm going to skip the middle one. And then when I get to the right side, I'm not going to put those circles on the right line. I'm going to actually put it right here on the inside line. So I'm going to skip the middle, and then I'm going to make 1, 2 circles, 2 circles in the middle, and then 1 more, 2 more circles, and then 2 more in the middle. All right, and there you go. We drew it, the cute little squid. So I'll show you the original. This cute little guy right here. All right, hope you had fun, guys. Bye.